Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to clear all messages but keep start ones in WhatsApp. So let's open WhatsApp, and you want to go to individual or group chat that you want to clean up, and let's tap name at the very top, and let's scroll down until you see option clear chat. And you will see option if you want to delete all messages or media files only. We want to stick to this one, all messages. And then very important that you want to make sure that this clear start messages is unchecked, so you don't have to check anything right here. And let's confirm by tapping clear chat at the bottom side of the screen. And as you can see, there was this message that it will be processed in the background, but it already deleted. As you can see, only start message is remaining right here in my chat. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.